Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, classmates. Today I will be tackling the chapter 12, which is enhancing decision making. The subtopics are decision making and information system, business intelligence in the enterprise, and business intelligence constituencies. Decision making and information systems. So, chapter 12 of Management Information System focuses on how information technology can enhance decision making processes in an organization. So, this chapter covers values, concepts, and tools that managers can use to make a better decisions. So, business value of improved decision making. So, this refers to improving hundreds of thousands of small decisions that can add up to the large annual value for a business. So, it is very important that the managers or the supervisors are a problem solver because this can affect the performance of the organization. Also, it is still important even though you are just an employee, it is also important to have an improvement in terms of how you decide to a problem. So there are types of decisions here, which are the unstructured, structured, and semi-structured. So for the unstructured, decision maker must provide judgment, evaluation, and insight to solve the problem. So each of those decisions is novel, important, and non-routine. And there is no well understood or agreed on procedure for making those decisions. For structured, these are repetitive and routine decisions. It also involves definite procedure for handling, so they do not have to be treated each time as new. The third one is the semi-structured. So where only part of the problem has a clear-cut answer provided by an accepted procedure. So in general, structured decisions are more prevalent at lower organizational levels, whereas unstructured decisions are more common at higher levels of the firm. So here is the information requirements of key decision-making groups in a firm. So for the decision characteristics or the types of decisions, we have here unstructured. So the one who execute this are the senior management. And then examples of their decisions is to decide either to entrance or to enter to the new market or not, and then approve capital budget or to decide long-term goals. And then for the semi-structured, we have here the middle management. They are the one who design a marketing plan, develop a departmental budget, design a new corporate website. And then for the structured, we have here the operational management, individual employees, and teams. So they determine overtime eligibility, restocks inventory, offer credit to customers, determine special offers to customers. The four stages of decision-making processes. We have here the first step, intelligence, wherein there is a problem discovery. So there is what is the problem. It is consists of discovering, identifying, and understanding the problems happening in the organization. So why the problem exists, where, and what effects it is having on the firm. Next is the design. So this involves identifying and exploring various solutions to the problem. The third step is the choice. So choosing the solution, what is best to the problem. The last step is implementation. So it is the solution, or in this step we will know if the solution is working. Can we have a better solution rather than the first one? So implementation involves making the chosen alternative work and continuing to monitor how well the solution is working on the problem. So what happens if the solution you have chosen doesn't work? So that figure shows that you can return to the earlier stage in the decision-making process, which is the problem discovery, and then repeat it if it is necessary. So for instance, if the phase of declining sales, so a sales management team may decide to pay the sales force for a higher commission for making more sales to spare on the sales effort. So if does not produce sales increase, so managers would need to investigate what is the problem, and then from poor product design, they can adequate more customer support or host of other causes that call for a different solution for the problem. According to Mitch Birch, there are 10 managerial roles which fell into three categories: interpersonal roles, informational roles, and decisional roles. For interpersonal roles, managers act as a figureheads for the organization when they represent their companies for the outside world and perform symbolic duties such as employee awards in their interpersonal roles. So managers also act as a leaders, so attempting to motivate, counsel, and support subordinates. Managers also act as a liaison, so they act as liaisons between various organizational levels. Within each of these levels, they served as a liaisons among the members of the management team. So managers provide time and favors which they expect to be returned. Next is the informational roles. So in their informational role, managers act as a nerve centers of their organizations, receiving the most concrete, up-to-date information and redistributing it to those who need to be aware of it. So managers are there for information disseminators and spokespersons also for the organization. Next is the decisional roles. Managers make decisions. So in their decisional role, they act as entrepreneurs by initiating new kinds of activities. They handle disturbances arising in the organization. They allocate resources to the staff members who need them, or what do we call the resource allocator. And they negotiate conflicts and mediate between conflicting groups, or what we call negotiator. So based on the Mertzberg's classification, those roles are very important to the managers and higher group of management. Business intelligence in the enterprise. So what is business intelligence? Business intelligence refers to the technologies, applications, practices, and processes for collecting, integrating, analyzing, and presenting data in order to provide insight that inform businesses' decisions. So business intelligence systems help organizations turn data into actionable information that can be used to optimize business processes, improve decision making, and gain a competitive advantage. In short, business intelligence is an infrastructure for collecting, storing, analyzing data produced by business. These are the databases, data warehouses, and data marts. The uses of the business intelligence are numerous and varied. Some of the most common applications of business intelligence include performance monitoring, data analysis, forecasting prediction, reporting, data visualization, and many more. Business intelligence provides organizations with a powerful set of tools and techniques for turning data into actionable insights. So by using business intelligence system, organization can optimize business processes, improve decision making, and gain a competitive advantage. Next is business analytics. So what is business analytics? Business analytics is the practice of using data, statistical and quantitative analysis, and predictive modeling to gain insights and inform business decisions. Business analytics goes beyond traditional businesses reportings and includes advanced techniques such as data mining, machine learning, and artificial intelligence. So in short, business analytics is a sort of set of software tools that are used to analyze data and produce reports, respond to questions posed by managers, and track the progress of the business using key indicators of performance. Example for this is the OLAP, statistics, models, and data mining. Business analytics involves collecting and analyzing data from various sources, such as customer transaction, social media, and operational system. So this data is then used to identify patterns and trends, make predictions, and optimize businesses process. So business analytics can use to answer questions such as what products are customers most likely to buy next, what factors influence customer satisfaction and loyalty, what are the most effective marketing channels and strategies, what are the most important drivers of sales and revenue, and then what are the most critical risks and opportunities facing the business. So business analytics provides organization with a competitive advantage by enabling them to make data-driven decisions, optimize operations, and improve performance. So by using business analytics, organization can identify new revenue streams, reduce cost, and improve satisfaction and retention. Business analytics also is becoming increasingly important as organizations seek to leverage data to gain insights and drive innovation in a highly competitive marketplace. We have also business intelligence vendors. Who are these and what are these vendors? These are the business intelligence and analytics purchased by firms. For example, for this is the IBM, OLAP, Microsoft, SAP, like that, and many more intelligence vendors. Business intelligence in the enterprise. So what is business intelligence? Business intelligence refers to the technologies, applications, practices, and processes for collecting, integrating, analyzing, and presenting data in order to provide insights that inform business decisions. So business intelligence systems help organizations turn data into actionable information that can be used to optimize business processes, improve decision making, and gain a competitive advantage. So in short, business intelligence is the infrastructure for collecting, storing, analyzing data produced by business. So these are the databases, data warehouses, and data marts. The uses of business intelligence are numerous and varied. Some of the most common applications use of business intelligence includes performance monitoring, data analysis, forecasting predictions, reporting, data visualizations, and many more. Next is, what is business analytics? Business analytics is the practice of using data, statistical and quantitative analysis, and predictive modeling to gain insights and inform business decisions. Business analytics goes beyond traditional businesses reporting and includes advanced techniques such as data mining, machine learning, and artificial intelligence. So in short, business analytics is a set of software tools that are used to analyze data and produce reports, respond to questions posed by managers, and track progress of the business using key indicators of performance. Example for this is the OLAP, statistics, models, and data mining. So business analytics involves collecting and analyzing data from various sources such as customer transaction, social media, and operational system. So this data is then used to identify the patterns and trends, make predictions, and optimize business processes. Business analytics can be used to answer questions such as what products are customers most likely to buy next, what factors influence customer satisfaction and loyalty, what are the most effective marketing channels and strategies, what are the most important drivers of sales and revenue, and what are the most critical risks and opportunities facing the business. So business analytics provides organizations with a competitive advantage by enabling them to make data-driven decisions, optimize operations, and improve performance. So by using business analytics, organization can identify new revenue streams, reduce cost, and improve customer satisfaction and retention. Business analytics is becoming increasingly important as organizations seek to leverage data to gain insights and drive innovation in a highly competitive marketplace. We have also business intelligence vendors. Business intelligence vendors, these are create business intelligence and analytics purchased by firms. Example for this is the IBM, Microsoft, and many more. We have also here the 6 elements in the business intelligence environment. First, we have a data from the business environment, then it would go to a business intelligence infrastructure or to the databases, data warehouses, data marts, and analytic performance. Next is the business analytics toolset. So after the data transfer to the business intelligence infrastructure, it will go next to the business analytics toolset. So like the models, data mining, OLAP, reporting and query tools, then big data analytics. And after that, the fourth step is the managerial users and methods. So these are the business strategy, performance management, balance scorecard, and forecast. Then after that, we have the delivery platform. which are the MIS, DSS, and ESS. And after those process, we have now here the user interface, which are the result of the process. The results, the dashboard, scorecards, the desktop, mobile, web portal, and social media. So business intelligence and analytics requires a strong database foundation, a set of analytic tools, and an involved management team that can ask intelligent questions and analyze data. Business intelligence and analytics capabilities. So the goal for business intelligence is to deliver accurate real-time information to decision makers. So the main functionalities of business intelligence system are the production reports, parameterized reports, dashboards and scorecards, ad hoc query, search report creation, drill down in forecast scenarios and models. So what is production report? Production report is a document that provides information on the production process of a manufacturing facility, including details on materials used, labor cost, and output. So production reports are used by managers and executives to monitor the efficiency and productivity of manufacturing process and make informed decisions about the resource allocation and process improvements. So an example of production report may include the following information. First, the date of report. Next, the production line, the specific production line or department being reported on. Third is the material usage. Fourth is the labor cost. Fifth is the equipment usage. Six is the output. And seven is the efficiency matrix. So by analyzing production reports, managers can identify inefficiencies, bottlenecks, and other issues that may be impacting the manufacturing process. So this information can be used to make informed decisions about process improvements, resource allocation, and other strategic initiatives aimed at improving efficiency and productivity. Next is the parameterized reports. So what is parameterized reports? These are customizable reports that allow users to specify parameters such as time periods, geographic regions, or product lines to generate customized reports. These reports can be automated and delivered on a regular basis, providing users with up-to-date information tailored to their specific needs. An example of this might be a sales report that allows users to specify the time period and product line to generate a customized report. Next is the dashboard or scorecards. Dashboard and scorecards are visual displays of key performance indicators and other metrics that provide a quick overview of business performance. So these displays typically use charts, graphs, and other visualizations to present data in an easily understandable format. An example of a dashboard might be a sales dashboard that shows revenue, sales volume, and other metrics for different regions or product lines. Third, business intelligence is the ad hoc query search report creation. This allows users to quickly create customized reports and queries based on their specific needs. This approach is typically more flexible than parameterized reports and allow users to explore data in real time and making it ideal for exploratory data analysis. An example of this might be a marketing manager searching for customer data based on demographic information to target a new marketing campaign. Fourth is the drill down. What is drill down? A drill down is a feature of reporting systems that allow users to explore data at increasingly granular levels. For example, a user may start with a high-level report that shows sales by region but can drill down to see sales by product or by customer. So this allows users to gain deeper insights into data and identify trends and patterns that might not be visible at higher levels of aggregation. Last is the forecast scenarios and models. So forecast scenarios and models are tools used to make predictions and simulate hypothetical scenarios based on historical data. So forecasts use statistical methods to predict future needs, while scenarios use simulations to explore different possible outcomes based on different assumptions. Models are mathematical presentations of systems or processes that can be used to test hypotheses and make predictions. So an example of forecast might be a sales forecast based on historical sales data and economic indicators. An example of scenario might be a simulation of the impact of a new marketing campaign on sales. An example of model might be a mathematical model used to optimize a supply chain or production process. So here in the picture, these are the most or the common business intelligence that the firm used, which are the Oracle, the SAP, IBM, Microsoft, SAA Institute. Business intelligence users. So here in the picture, it shows here that 20% of the producers are the employees, which are the IT developers, the super users, business analysts, and analytical modelers. While 80% of the employees, these are the consumers or the users, which are the customers or suppliers, operational employee, senior managers, managers and staff, and also business analysts. So 80% are casual users relying on production reports, like the senior executives, middle manager and analyst, and also operational employees. Examples of business intelligence applications. We have here predictive analytics, data visualization, and geographic information system. For predictive analytics, these use patterns in data to predict future behaviors. Example for this is the credit card companies use predictive analytics to determine customers at risk for leaving. For data visualization, these help users to see patterns and relationships that would be difficult to see in text list. For geographic information system, this ties location related to data maps. Example for this is yung Google Map, wherein makikita nyo doon yung price ng hotels, price ng mga restaurants around the area. So by those data, it can help if the budget or the allocation is suit that was being provided by the company. Management strategies for developing business intelligence and business analytics capabilities. There are two main categories: the one-stop integrated solution and the multiple best-of-breed solution. So one-stop integrated solution, hardware firms sell software that run optimally on their hardware. So it makes firm dependent on single vendor switching cost. While multiple best-of-breed solution, it has a greater flexibility and independence. It must deal also with multiple vendors and potential difficulties. There are also potential difficulties in terms of integration. Business intelligence constituencies, or these are the users, are the one who benefits business intelligence. We have here the operational and middle managers. We have also super user and business analyst. So yung sa operational and middle managers, ginagamit nila yung business intelligence for monitoring day-to-day business performance and to make fairly structured decisions. While sa super user and business analyst, they use business intelligence more sophisticated analysis and for creation of customized reports. Another business intelligence constituencies are the decision support system or decision support teams. They are the one who use mathematical or analytical models and also use varied types of analysis such as what if analysis, sensitivity analysis, backward sensitivity analysis, and multi-dimensional analysis such as pivot tables, lookups in the Excel like that. And then for decision support for senior management, these are the one who help executives focus on important performance of information and who use balanced scorecard method such as measures outcome on four dimensions in terms of financial, business process, customer, and learning and growth, as well as key performance indicators. Decision support for senior management also use business performance management and data for ESS, like internal data from enterprise application, external data such as financial market database, and drill down capabilities. We have also here the group decision support system. These are the interactive system to support solution of unstructured problems by group, specialized hardware and software, typically used in conference rooms, enables increasing meeting size and increasing productivity, and uses structured methods to organize and evaluate ideas. To summarize my report, so Chapter 12 of MIS highlights the importance of decision making in organizations and provide an overview of various tools and techniques that managers can use to make better decisions. So by leveraging technology and data analytics, managers can gain valuable insights that can help them solve complex business problems and make more informed decisions. So that's all my report, and thank you for listening.